How to fix Friendlist not working on EA app. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. You need to first restart everything. So restart your game, EA app, and your device. Fully close the application, not just the background of it. And then after you restart your device and relaunch the application. Also try checking your internet connection. Make sure that you're using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data and test with the speed test app or another online game as well. And you can also go ahead and check the EA service. Visit help.ea.com, search for your game, and then click on check server status. And if you're using any VPN or proxy, simply disable it. VPNs or proxies can block social features like the friend list. So log out and log back in, go to EA settings on the app or account menu, and then log out of your account and log back in. You can also try clearing the cache. For that, you need to go ahead and open your settings, scroll down and go to apps. From here, simply search for EA application. Simply search for the application, scroll down, and then tap on storage and click on clear cache. Sometimes removing and re-adding a friend fixes the visibility issues. So also go ahead and update the app or the game as outdated versions can block social features. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.